I'm back again. The last time I did hold my camera was I wasn't home, so I'm back home already. 1 week later, yeah. And I'm going outside. See you outside. Guess what? Today being a Sunday, the place I'm supposed to board matatus, there are no matatus. Like, I think Sunday people rarely travel, so like there are no vans for me to travel with. Like, and I'm already late. I just feel like crying right now. Like I'm being left here. Like there's no vehicles. Look at the road. Damn.
2 hours later.
I'm meeting the girls, and I'm seeing some Arsenal fans somewhere here. I'm like, oh, okay. People are really die-hard fans. I'm in the fire. What's the journey? Window seat. She's my number. Okay. Kunywa maji, ukimaliza kunywa pombe, peleka maisha pole pole, lazima mwenyewe zitoke. Songa mbali, onyesha weka samaki, pika pikati ya jamari, bila basirisha kamati. Songa mbali, onyesha weka ya samaki, pika pikati ya jamari, hadi kujina tena mwili. Ayo yo. Kumbakanya sentime mukabako, kumbapia mushipia jili ya tumbo. Usiogope kukula jasho yako mama. Aro, iko na saizi yako yani 4x4. Katoto malisa kibeta kangifo. Pesa sabuni no. Nimshike wapi ndio aje, taka moyo wangu wewe. Ona, hiyo mix iko sawa. Wasiboeke, bado wangapi sasa? Wasichana wakiambiwa saa 4 wanakuja saa 5. Yani namaanisha wanasema nimesota, mimi sina do. Mara niko wash na I need some drinks. I'm just gonna find some sodas. Not leaving the place. Pretty. That's one thing for sure. I got this. So a little bit of oxygen is all I need. I'm looking good. Yeah. Go to the place. I'm the last one to leave so that I can show you. Look at them. So cute. Everyone has left. They're all in front of me. I'm left alone and just, I love, if it was possible like for me to come alone here and just enjoy nature, just sit there, you know, journal and stuff. I could, but yeah, this place is so far. It's not that far, but it's a little bit distance. Yeah, the place looks good, so good. I would come maybe alone or something. Sun kiss. Hey. So we've got at the peak of the mountain we were climbing. These are the views. I don't know film people. Yeah. At least I really need the glams of. Yeah, so I'm going down. I'm alone, thank goodness. Like I'm trying to avoid crowds so that I can film, because I think people are adding up every 2 seconds, and I'm like, okay. Yeah, but there's a Tawaniko. Kwani how is Nakuru? Yes. So, I left the hill part. I came back to the van and I've seen a garden here. I think someone lives around here. They have a garden. They have guavas. Yeah, there are no any ripe guavas. So I was like, let me just take a walk in the woods, and yeah, they have guavas, just guavas, nothing else. Oh, and a rosemary there, just nothing. And yeah, it looks bushy. Yeah, so it's scary a little bit, but it's not that. Yeah, and then I think I've met 2 people. Like, I did not know anybody was coming with the girls. It was just, it was a group chat thing, and we were like, you know what, we need to be outside. So we went outside, and it's just, we've been conversating through the phone. And now this is the time we've just said, you know what, let's go outside. And being outside, I've now created friends. I have now 2 friends in the car. So they were telling me on how like they're disappointed on this day. I'm like, it's your expectation. You should have like, do your research and see how things go here. Because for me, I went to their page and seen all their travels and everything, and I saw like what they do and everything. So even my dress choice was just from the, I don't want to look odd one out or come with this. I was like, you know what, let me just tone down and fit in. Not about fitting in like in the other way, but I don't want to look odd one out, not feel okay. I just want to travel, enjoy life, and yeah. So I'm just in the bush by myself. If a baboon comes, by the way, we've seen a couple of baboons. I did not show you guys because they're coming from the lakeside, to this point. Let me just look for the bedside to record here. They're coming from the lakeside and then now to this point, and yeah, I'm just here. I wish I would have recorded for you guys, but they left. I think they were scared of people. Yeah, but they're so cute. Yeah, me too, I'm cute. Yeah, so I think we're having lunch. I think we'll have lunch, but I cannot see people coming down from the hill. It's a hill that we've just climbed. Like, I don't see people coming down, so I don't know. So let me wait for them as I enjoy this forest. If they had a seat somewhere here, I'll just take a seat. I just, enjoy my own company. Like, that's just everything. Enjoying your own company. Like, oh, more fruits on this side. I think this is pomegranate. I think more guava. I don't know what the heck that is. There is an orange here. More guava. It's just guavas. They love guavas a lot. I don't know. I should follow this path and see what's in here, because they don't have much. Wish they had some ripe guavas. Yeah, but I'm loving me.